If you're looking for a safe career that's rewarding, both financially and personally, reflexology is definitely a career that you should look into. Reflexology is, and promises to continue to be, one of the top 5 career choices in holistic health trends. The current revolution of alternative medicine, including reflexology, reflects baby boomers' excitement and willingness to explore new methods of treating health problems. Out-of-pocket spending on complementary and alternative medicine was estimated at $34 billion in a single year. Consider being part of this multi-billion-dollar industry as a reflexologist. In their book, The Wealthy Reflexologist, authors Lauren Slade and Jack Marriott explain how it is possible to make $100,000 a year as a reflexologist. With simple, easy-to-follow ideas, tips, and suggestions, The Wealthy Reflexologist shows how to turn a new or existing reflexology business into a stellar financial success. The Wealthy Reflexologist is available in Kindle and paperback on Amazon.com or from thewealthyreflexologist.com. Get your copy today.